So this is how you add and sync your calendar with FunnelBud so that other people can book meetings with you through a meeting link without emailing you or contacting you directly. So you go up to sales and then meetings. And first you need to sync it. So you click on get started and you choose whether you have Google or Microsoft. And you click on them. I have Google, so I click on that. And you give access. And first you choose here which calendar FunnelBud will sync. So if you have several, you can choose them here. I only one, so I choose that one. And here you choose your availability to take meetings that come from this link that you will create or from FunnelBud. So even if you are free throughout the whole week, maybe you just want to take Mondays between 10 and 12:30. Those are the only times that people can book a meeting with you through this link. You can also add other days. So you choose here how you want it. And then click next. And first, gonna set the first meeting. Later on, you will be able to set several meetings if you have for that this is a sales meeting, this is for a follow-up meeting, etc. But for now, we'll start with our first meeting. So with that to title, I choose FunnelBud meeting. Meeting description is optional. Who will host it? It will be you. Custom location. This is if you have a physical place that you're going to meet with in, then you can add that here so that all meetings taken from this meeting link are added to this custom location. If you have a URL, like for example a tea room that you can use always for this meeting, or a Google Meet room that you can use always for this meeting, you can add a URL here. You can also connect soon. In the booking settings, you choose how long will this meeting through this meeting link that you're creating be by default. So you have 50 minutes, 30 minutes, 45, all the way up to 3 hours. So every single time someone books a meeting with this exact meeting link that you will create, this meeting will, for example, always be 30 minutes. They cannot choose. The meeting buffer is the amount of time before or after your meetings that you can't be booked for. So that gives you time to prepare, and it gives you time if it goes on for a bit longer. And you can choose that too here. You can choose none all the way up to 30 minutes. Start time increments is the time intervals between when meetings can begin. So you have 3 options here. And you can see here that the first meeting that is available in these settings are 10 a.m., then 10:15, 10:30, 10:45. That's 15 minutes between each. Minimum booking notice is the minimum amount of time before a meeting can be booked. That means that when a person clicks on the link and wants to book a calendar, so if it's, we see now it's 11:30 when I record this, that means if you would go and click on my link now, the first time that would show up is 1:30. That's the first time that can be booked when it's set to 2 hours. You can change this in minutes, hours, and even days. How long in advance that the meeting needs to be booked. Booking window is the amount of time that they have to book in advance. So, for example, a person cannot book a meeting 2 years into the future. So that you set here, and it's up to 8 weeks. Maximum appointments for the day. So even if when you set all these settings, and even if you set that you're available throughout the whole Monday for these meetings, you still only want to have 3 meetings per day. That's it. So that you can set here. And here you will be able to see, based on all these above settings, how many meetings a week will this allow for. So in my case, this is 4 maximum weekly bookings that can be made. Then, once everything is set, you can have a meeting link that you can copy, or you can choose to have a button if you want to have it. And if you click on customize your button, you can also change color, etc., to match your company's color scheme. Then you click finish, and success.